Hey guys, it is Friday morning here in the Philippines, and as promised, we are unboxing the Tarmac Global 64 Lamborghini Aventador SV Dubai Police Edition. And this, I think, was like the third or fourth release of the car. There's only been four releases that I know of. The red one, that was a Hong Kong exclusive. This Dubai police car, the Need for Speed police car we took a look at yesterday, or 2 days ago, I should say. And then the first releases were yellow and green variants. So, not sure why they didn't continue with this casting, because it is a fairly nice casting. But we haven't seen it since these four releases back in 2017, 2018 era. So, kind of a cool casting that they just pushed off to the wayside. So anyways, let's take a look at the outside here. You have the same kind of box. It's like a brick rod, the thin PVC plastic display case, I guess I could call it, that houses the car and the display box. And it is just wrapped in like a cellophane, kind of wrapped, almost like gift wrap, as I pointed out before. On the back side, it tells you the scale, the warnings and such about choking hazards, and then you don't have the Lamborghini holographic sticker on this one, which on the other ones we do, so that's kind of odd on this one. There's no Lamborghini licensing sticker. Just now noticing that. I don't know if this was an error, that this one was overlooked when manufacturing. I have a few more of these coming, the Dubai police car, so I'll check that out and see if this was just like a overlooked one that didn't get the sticker, or if none of them had the sticker, and let you guys know on that. But yeah, I have a bunch of these coming, maybe 5 or 6 more to take back to the States and sell them, since they're a little bit harder to get there. But anyways, it does have the UPC thing here with the Tarmac serial number, part number, with Lamborghini Aventador SV Dubai Police. So that is there. Same packaging, just no holographic sticker, huh? So anyways, let's cut the cellophane tape here and get this guy out. As I said, I don't think this is going to hurt the value of the car, because you can actually rewrap these in the cellophane. As I said, it's just like that sticky adhesive one edge plastic cellophane that anybody can buy to wrap their stuff. So honestly, I think as long as you have this, I think it's still considered like a so-called sealed unit. So let's get him out. And as I mentioned before, these kind of just open like a regular box. And this isn't the thickest available brick rods, but as I mentioned, there are like different manufacturers out there that make them, so some have better quality than others. Actually, this thickness is perfect because it's more durable in my opinion. The really thick stuff is really rigid, and it's nice. It's almost like acrylic, but after you open it so many times, they do end up breaking. So there's the car. Here's your display box. And this is pretty cool. It's made to look like a shipping container with the print of like the corrugated metal, Tarmac on the side, Global 64, 1/64 scale. And then on the end caps, they look like the doors of the shipping container. No copyrights or anything on top or bottom. So just regular corrugated metal look on top, and then just a plain gray print on the bottom. Sorry, I'm having some focusing issues there with this camera. Okay, there we go. So then back to our car. It comes in like this PVC dome shell. It's just kind of cool. Keeps it from flopping around in the brick rod and keeps it from breaking. So this guy here still has durable rubber mirrors, even though they're painted body color. As we noticed on all the others, they're black on the green models. The Need for Speed Police, they're black. This is actually color coordinated with the car, which is cool. And then you have the acrylic light bar, which is painted silver. And then you have the plastic engine cover. Excuse me, guys. Then you have your Dubai Police tampos, the white with the green stripes and green lettering. Plastic rear wing, red acrylic taillight lenses, and same wheels as all the others, your stock Aventador style wheels. And then you have your acrylic headlight lenses to add nice detail. The Lamborghini emblem tampo, which is nice. This is a left-hand drive model. As I mentioned before, I don't think these were available in left or right-hand drive like the Mini GT stuff. I think it only came in left-hand drive. Then the rolling of the car. It rolls if you put force on it, but just trying to freely roll it, not such a good roller. But as we know with Tarmacs, usually, like the global stuff, at least the older stuff was like this, where the rollability just wasn't there. It was more like, not really static model, because the wheels do roll, but just not so great. And it does have a plastic base. I forgot to mention that on the other two, but these are plastic bases, and they are held together by button head Phillips screws. So, really nice model, though. Overall, a great piece, especially for what the Global 64 sell for when they're new, like $10, maybe $15. Now, these are a little bit higher because, of course, they're 5 years old, 4 or 5 years old, and the secondary market price has jacked them up a little bit, especially on eBay. Now, here in Asia, they're a little bit more affordable, what I've noticed, compared to like what they are in North America or South America on eBay prices. They're a little bit high, or they at least get auctioned off at a higher price because a lot of people still want them, and they're not that easy to find anymore. So if you can get one at a reasonable price, I suggest it. It's a nice model for any collection, especially if you're a Lamborghini fan or cop car fan, for example, with this one. So that's it, guys, for the Lamborghini Aventador SV Dubai Police Edition from Tarmac Works. And we will be back next week, hopefully with the green light John Wick 68 Charger. I think I have that coming. And then whatever else pops up that grabs my attention, I'll get it and unbox it for you guys. So thanks for watching, and enjoy your first weekend of December.